Today, I will share with you the principle about a billionaire. Here we go. We don't waste the time. A billionaire, shift your focus away from what you want, $1 billion, and get deeply, instantly curious about what the world want and need. Ask yourself, what you have the potential to offer that is so unique and compelling and helpful. There's no computer could replace you. No one could outsource you, and no one could steal your product and make it better and then clap you into oblivion. Not literally then develop that potential. Choose one thing, how many things? One thing, and become a master of it. Choose a second thing and become a master of that. When you become a master of two worlds, say as Stoshia and gardening, you can bring them together in a way that will introduce host idea each other so they can have idea sex and make idea baby that no one else has seen before, and B, create a competitive advantage because you can move between the two worlds, speak both language, connect the trip, match the element to spread fresh creative insight until you wake up with the epiphany that changes your life. The world doesn't draw $1 billion as a person because the person one is all work so hard they feel deserve it. The world does not care. Keyword is care. What you want or deserve. The world give you money in exchange for something. Its perceived to be of equal or greater value. Something that transforms an aspect of the culture, revoke a familiar story or introduce a new one. Alter the way people think about the category and make use of it in daily life. There is no roadmap, no blueprint for this. A lot of people will be give you a lot of advice. Most of it will be bad and a lot of it will be good sound, but you will have to figure out how it doesn't apply to you because you are coming from an expected angle and you will be doing it alone until you develop the charisma and credibility to attract the talent. You need to come with you. Have courage, you will need it, and good luck, you will need that too. Article. That's it.